Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to make approval for the level 3 and level 4 students for next year. So what you need to do is click on the class of the students that you wish to choose if they should be in level 4, level 4 CC, level 5, level AP, etc. I'm just going to make this up because I don't really have any eligible students. So pretend this is one of your eligible classes. Go over here to course recommendations. And then so you see the student's name, and then you click next to her name and choose the course that you feel that she should be in for next year. Again, these are the course recommendations. This is what I used to do when we all had to do it on like the Excel Google Sheet. It's different this year. So let's pretend that Emily is going to go into, or I think that she should go into CC Spanish. I click that. Let's pretend that I think Maeve should go into, regular Spanish. Got to be on there somewhere. There it is. That. So you're going to want to do one for every single student, okay? When you're finished, I think it just saves by itself. I don't see a save button down there. If you make a mistake, just click the trash can or undo it. Once they're all in there, they're done. They're due by tomorrow, the 25th. Adele said if we need more time to let her know. However, I think it should be pretty easy to do. So let me know if you have any problems. Thanks, guys.